Eba! I was a
It is undeniable that His Excellency, Malam Abdurrahman Abdurrazak's administration has demonstrated exceptional dedication and commitment to enhancing healthcare services in Kwara State. His efforts has unquestionably led to the provision of accessible, affordable, and high-quality healthcare services throughout all 16 local government areas. As part of these efforts towards ensuring an affordable universal health coverage in the state, especially for the indigent population, the Governor's administration empowered the Kwara Health Insurance Agency under the leadership of Dr. Olubunmi Jatawa Winter to recently rehabilitate the school clinic of Kwara School of Special Needs. The school clinic was commissioned on the 7th of September 2023 by the Executive Governor of Kwara State, ably represented by the Honorable Commissioner of Health, Dr. Amina El Imam. Several dignitaries graced the occasion.
At the peak of COVID-19 pandemic, when everything else was failing, through the magnanimity of our governor, Malam Abdurrahman Abdurrazak, to launch access to care at that most critical period. The population segments under coverage of the scheme are divided into three, namely the formal sector, the informal sector, and the indigent sector. The premiums for the indigent sector of coverage are fully subsidized through funding from the state government, the federal government, and through sponsors, donors, and partners. The agency, in order to bring quality services closer to the populace, commenced implementation of innovative initiatives to improve quality of the facilities and to make them available to provide healthcare services whenever needed. The School for Special Needs Clinic was one of the facilities that was earmarked for one of such interventions. The population of students in this school require assistance for their daily needs and are unable to seek for medical services outside of the school premises. The need to rehabilitate the clinic became necessary to be able to get the clinic to pass assessment and to get accredited.
The school principal had this to say.
This commissary is a significant departure from all these because they have transferred it to many hospitals because we now have equipment there. We have adequate staff. Also, there is material compensation for procurement of drugs. Therefore, I want to appreciate His Excellency, the representative of Governor. So, thank you, and thank you very much. God bless you all.
Upon arrival of the Honorable Commissioner, she appreciated the Executive Governor for his unrelenting support towards ensuring a healthy Kwara.
Our decision to enroll you in this free health insurance is a form of subsidy to support you and invariably your parents and guardians. The need for health insurance for all Kwarams cannot be overestimated because of the huge advantages that come with it. It is in the same spirit that the Kwara State government continually invests in the health sector reforms and other initiatives that bring succor to the populace. The government is especially concerned about the indigent segment of the population to assist them to have equitable access to quality, affordable, and available healthcare services. So far, our administration has contributed every year to complement the efforts of the federal government to bring insurance cover to the indigent population of the state. The government is making every effort to ensure that our facilities are of good quality through regular quality assurance visits and assessment and reassessment of new and existing healthcare facilities both in the public and private sectors across the state. Other efforts and initiatives, especially infrastructural upgrades, are continuously being implemented in the health sector of Kwara State to complement one another with the overarching goal of ensuring that healthcare services are of sufficient quality and quantity for the entire Kwara populace. On that note, it is my pleasure to unveil this new facility for the good and well-being of our special needs students in Kwara State. Thank you very much.
Thank you all for being here. I'm excited to declare this place open. On behalf of the Executive Governor of Kwara State, His Excellency Malam Abdurrahman Abdurrazak, CON, I hereby declare the newly refurbished clinic open. Congratulations to all beneficiaries of this newly rehabilitated school. I'm glad to have been able to represent our dynamic governor and a fantastic team led by Dr. Jetsawo. Thank you all very much for being here. The rehabilitation of the School for Special Needs Clinic was officially commissioned by the Executive Governor of Kwara State, His Excellency Malam Abdurrahman Abdurrazak, on the 7th day of September 2023, supported by the Kwara State Health Insurance Agency.
Assurance, healthy insurance, upgrade importance, people of Kwara, oh, ide. Healthy insurance, upgrade importance, people of Kwara, oh, ide. Consultation, delivery.
We provided 3 different toilets for them. So they now have the male toilet here, fully tiled, flushing. They have the male toilet, they have the female toilet, they have the staff toilet. They never had a working toilet. The male observation room, we separated the males and the females. So they now have their male observation room. Windows are fully netted, curtains are installed. We also have, everywhere is netted. All this wasn't there before. We now have a general room for the staff. They have to sleep over. They have trash cans everywhere, wash hand bases everywhere for them.
This achievement is commendable and it reflects a strong commitment of His Excellency towards ensuring that quality healthcare is accessible to all, including the most vulnerable members of society. KwaraCare, Alafia, your key to affordable healthcare.